What's going on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram? This is Mike with the owner of Trushine Cleaning, and I'm out at, you can see behind me, welcome to Calvary Church. So we out here doing stripping and waxing around about 250 square feet of VCT tile. We're gonna be doing all of this area, this whole corridor, entry area there. So right now we're working on the gymnasium. So we've already did the back area. She's extracting all the dirty wax up. So that's my lady. So we already done all of the borders. So we haven't done anything in this area yet. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do the whole job today. We're going to do all the stripping, and then we're going to come back. I had the bottle out here filling up before I decided to start recording. So, like I said, we're not going to do the entire job today. I'm going to come back tomorrow and wax the floor, clean it back up a little bit more and wax the floor. So today we're just removing all the wax, and it's coming up pretty well. I believe it's only about 2 coats of wax on there, so that's a pretty easy job. So this is the product. This is some zip floor cleaner, and the same as the floor polish. Works pretty good. So I want to lay about 2 coats down. I'm gonna see how the shine comes up with the 2 coats. And if not, you good? Okay. All right, let me get back to work then. We are doing the gymnasium floor. Got my lady with me. So we already done all the borders and everything. So now we're working on actually the floor. So she's cleaning up the floor while I'm scrubbing. And we got this rest of the gym left. You can see how clean it's coming up. So we did all the borders first, just because that usually takes the most time. So now we're just working on in the middle of the floor now. And it's coming up very well. Alright, you guys. This is day 2 on the cleaning. So I've been here, honestly, I've been here for a while. I've been here since probably like 10 o'clock. As you can see, it's 2 p.m. now. Just finished up with the job. So when I first came in, it's still wet right now. So I mean, this is all dry. This is all dry here. So all this is dry. I end up doing the bathrooms as well. So all of this is dry. Didn't really get a before on how the bathrooms look, but it had a little bit of wax buildup, not much. So I was walking around with no shoes on for a while. I'm pretty sure I got a lot of wax on my feet. Make sure I ain't get no feet prints. But for the most part, I'm pretty much done. I do see like a little area right here I may have to go back over, but other than that, it looks like this is pretty even. Everything else looks pretty good. So, alright, I'm gonna try to get a little video. I don't have my tripod or nothing, so I just got it sitting on the floor. That's about. Alright. I'm gonna see. I got 3 long lines. This is not how I did it at first, but I'm gonna do it this way because this is my last coat that I'm gonna be doing. Got my shoes off, so I'm gonna do. So there go a line from here all the way there, another line over there, and this line. So what I'm gonna do first, do this little portion right here, then work my way on that side, work my way out the door. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of this. I'm not gonna record the whole entire process, but Alright, you guys. I'll show you guys the finished results once I'm done with this.